Airtab, safety, stability, savings. Airtab, the original award-winning vortex generator aerodynamic drag reduction system for commercial and private ground transport vehicles. Airtabs are proven aerodynamic drag reduction devices. Airtabs will also enhance vehicle safety margins through greater stability in high winds and improve visibility in precipitation through Airtab's impressive spray suppression qualities. It doesn't matter who you are, owner-operator, fleet driver, fleet manager, bus line owner, or RVer on vacation. It doesn't matter what you drive, 18-wheeler, straight truck, flatbed, tanker, or motorhome. And it doesn't matter what fuel you use, diesel, fuel cell, electric, or hybrid. Aerodynamic drag is a negative and costly force that cannot be defeated, only managed. And the proper management of aerodynamic forces connects directly from the fuel pump to your wallet. Vehicle aerodynamic drag forces account for over 50% of the fuel energy expended by large vehicles at highway and interstate speeds. Turbulent airflow around a vehicle increases drag forces because turbulent air actually makes the vehicle profile larger than it is. Efforts to reduce sources of turbulence and smoothen airflow wherever possible will aid in drag reduction. Aerodynamic drag increases as the square of the speed. That means that if your speed is doubled, the drag force against you is not doubled, it is quadrupled. Aerodynamic drag forces are cumulative. Any cost-effective aero drag reduction efforts in any location on the vehicle result in savings that go right to the bottom line. Conversely, any poor aerodynamic choices come right out of your pocket and can never be recovered. This computer animation shows the two principal aero turbulence areas on a standard Class 8 tractor-trailer: the tractor-trailer gap and the rear of the trailer. Other considerable turbulent airflow regions are wheel wells, the trailing edges of tank skirts or toolboxes, and underneath the vehicle. All of these drag areas combine to create a force that pulls back on the truck, and that force can only be overcome with extra fuel. The Airtab is a small, powerful, wishbone-shaped, solid core rotation vortex generator. An Airtab will fit in the palm of your hand, weighs only a few ounces, is made of durable UV-resistant ABS injection molded plastic, and applied with a high-quality, factory-installed, double-sided peel and stick tape. Each double-edged Airtab trips onset airflow and generates two counter-rotating high RPM solid core vortices. These vortices are several feet in length and stream behind or alongside the vehicle before bursting. NASA has tested vortex generators similar to Airtab and found them to be the lowest parasitic drag devices they have examined to date. These vortices combine and work to reduce pressure drag at vehicle base regions and prevent unwanted turbulence from entering vehicle spaces, especially at the tractor-trailer gap. Airtabs are designed and carefully sized to operate at peak efficiency at or near typical highway, motorway, or interstate speeds. The two primary mounting locations for Airtabs on a typical tractor-trailer are exactly the same two locations of the greatest contributors to overall vehicle drag: the tractor fairing trailing edges and the rear of the trailer or box. These two locations, equipped with Airtabs, will reduce unwanted turbulence entering the gap and reduce the partial drag-causing vacuum that exists at the rear-facing surfaces of trailers, tankers, straight trucks, buses, or RVs. Airtabs benefit the customer by offering unequaled mounting location flexibility, unconstrained by vehicle type. Airtabs are routinely applied to the two locations noted previously, but they can also reduce unwanted turbulence and drag at the trailing edges of trailer or tank skirts, underslung toolboxes, or at the leading edges of wheel wells, especially the steering tires. In fact, any vehicle trailing edge or surface that is at right angles to the dominant vehicle airflow is a turbulence hotspot and a potential mounting location for Airtabs. This computer animation of a truck with Airtabs shows a smaller drag profile through reduction in turbulence. This drag reduction is provided by the Airtab Vortex Generator system. Airtabs have been tested in the wind tunnel, on test tracks, and in fleet over-the-road trials. Since trials began, results have been positive, consistent, and in line with product performance claims. The unequipped truck shows marked turbulence at the two key drag-producing locations: the gap and the trailer rear surface. The second truck shows the smaller drag and turbulence profile provided by the Airtab system. What could this permanent difference mean to your fuel bill or fleet operations bottom line? There are many aftermarket devices available that claim to reduce aerodynamic drag. Many of these devices are vehicle-specific. A technology or device designed for one vehicle class cannot be used on another. For example, a bus or large motorhome could not benefit from the use of tractor side extenders, even though these are close aerodynamic drag equivalents to a tractor-trailer. The Airtab system offers a simple, lightweight, low-cost, maintenance-free, and extremely flexible option for aerodrag reduction on a wide array of vehicle types and locations. Airtabs also offer considerable safety benefits. By redirecting and smoothing dominant airflow patterns, Airtabs stabilize vehicles, especially in crosswinds, reducing driver stress, fatigue, and wind-induced lane excursions. Immediate and consistent driver feedback confirms a marked improvement in mirror visibility in rain or spray, providing safer lane changes and enhanced safety for other road users as well. Airtabs are hollow and designed with generous edges. In fact, Airtabs have been modified to comply with European Union safety impact regulations. They will not cut personnel or snag clothing or cargo straps and will crush if dislodged and run over, eliminating any potential road hazards. Properly installed and dependent on vehicle type and operations, Airtabs offer savings in the 2 to 5% range. The typical payback time at U.S. fuel prices for a fully equipped tractor and trailer performing long-haul operations is consistently less than 90 days. For more information, various vehicle applications, photo galleries, frequently asked questions, or to contact your distributor, please visit www.airtab.com or call 1-800-475-2155.